Hello everyone, this is Srishti from Global Solution. I am here the marketing manager and today we will discuss about EPR battery compliance in brief. What is EPR battery compliance? EPR battery compliance refer to the EPR regulation specifically targeting the management of waste batteries. These regulations require manufacturer, importer and seller of batteries to take the responsibility of entire life cycle they placed on the market, from production through the end of life disposal or recycling. The primary aim is to ensure that the waste battery should be managed in an environmentally responsible manner. What is the importance of EPR battery compliance? The importance of EPR battery compliance lies in its role in promoting sustainable practices. Battery contain hazardous materials such as lead, zinc, acid and mercury, which can pose a significant environmental and human risk if properly not managed. What is the aim of EPR battery compliance? EPR aim to increase the collection and recycling rate of battery by holding producer accountable for the end of life management of their product, development of sustainable battery design and promoting recycling and reuse of the hazardous substances. What is EPR battery target? EPR battery target are typically set by the CPCB department and define a minimum percentage of batteries that the producer must collect and recycle each year. These EPR target vary by region and battery type. The calculation of EPR battery target. Identify the type of battery sold, example, lead, acid, lithium-ion or nickel. Calculate the weight in kgs of the battery sold in the financial year. Identify the EPR target percentage, example, 30% of lead acid batteries. Ensure recycling and collection of the target waste batteries sold in the market. For an example, the total weight of lead acid batteries sold in the financial year 23 and 24 is 1000 kgs. EPR target percentage is 30%. The total weight target would be 1000 kgs into 30% is equal to 300 kgs. You must collect and recycle at least 300 kgs of lead acid batteries to meet your EPR target. What is EPR credit? EPR credit are the certificates issued to the producer to meet or exceed their EPR obligation. They have to purchase the EPR credit from an authorized recycler by the CPCB department and settle off their liability which is given by the department. The EPR credit are exchanged online onto the portal. What is EPR battery obligation? The producer has to submit their sales data of the batteries sold into the Indian market onto the CPCB portal. The consequences of non-compliance can result a financial penalty by the CPCB department. The timeline for the EPR battery compliance is 7 to 8 working days. The last date to submit the EPR battery compliance is 30th August 2024 as per the recent notice by the CPCB department. Since leading consultancy in India, Global Solution is going to help you to fulfill your EPR obligation. To avoid any kind of penalty and fulfill your EPR obligation today, please contact Global Solution. To know more about my company, please visit www.globalsolution.co.in. Thanks for watching.